Hi, I'm Clark Easterling of Windy Hill Foundry, and I have with me today Gary Cude along with Kilroy, my neighbor James T Kilroy.
That's correct.
Yeah.
But you can call him Jay.
Yeah, Jay.
Or just Kilroy's okay.
Or JT.
As you can see, we've had fun so far. We're drenched, and we're going to try to.
I've been avoiding
Yeah.
all them drops. I'm a little bit skinnier than you two guys.
Yeah, well, I got my share of it a minute ago.
It's hot. It's raining.
Yeah, to add to that, we're sweating on top of that. We're going to be pouring a casting for Gary, two of them. And Gary, can you tell us what that's about?
It's a pattern that I bought from Craig Donges up in Ohio about 5 or 6 years ago. This happens to be a 5-inch shaper vise, like you would find on a old metal shaper. So I haven't cast this one before, and it's a learning experience for all of us, it looks like. So we're going to see how it turns out.
And can you hand me that pattern? And this is the vise. When I got it, it was set up for resin bonded sand. We had to do a little modification in order to be able to cast it in green sand. But it released pretty good, and we're going to attempt this very shortly. And the other piece is what?
That is the base for it.
All right, this is the base for the vise. Thank you. And they're good looking patterns. Very nice finish. They pulled fine, and I'm anxious to see what they look like tomorrow when we pull them from the sand. Alright. Alright. Good. Yeah, get cool while you can.
That thing throws off amazing here.
Yeah. All right.
When I walk this level on, I will be completely scorched.
All right, lower it down. Just go all the way down. It ain't gonna fill that one. We're wore out, but I just wanted to show off Mike Nixon's coasters. I'm using them and I really appreciate this. I see that James got a set, but Gary didn't.
I don't rate as high.
Yeah.
I guess people from Texas, they have to try hard to get higher up on the scale like
That's it.
you folks in Mississippi.
Texas for you.
But anyway, thank you, Mike. These work great. Well, we got it done. I almost burned Gary sloshing around iron. I didn't mean to do that, but we actually have some castings, and I got another one over there. I won't show it this time. I'm going to do a separate video on that. But the finish turned out good.
Beautiful.
And how many pounds of iron did we say?
This one is 40 and that one's 11.
51 total, yeah.
pounds total. That includes this feeder piece in
Yeah.
the middle that'll go away, but 51 pounds
I don't know
total.
if you saw that, but the finish is fantastic. You can see those letters right there. Really nice.
And that's what I always shoot for.
Yeah.
I always want to do the best I can, but I'm anxious to see these machined and put to use.
Yep.
Yeah, it's a lot. When you said 5-inch shaper vise, I thought you meant for 5-inch shaper.
Yeah.
No, it's a little bit bigger.
I didn't realize you meant, bigger vise. So
Yeah.
yeah, it's much more substantial.
There's no way that would go in my little 7B over there.
No,
Yeah.
that weighs almost as much.
Yeah.
Yeah.
But anyway, hope y'all enjoyed it, and they're going to be hitting the road, and he's going to drop Kilroy off in Vicksburg and head on back to Texas now. So.
We're going to come back in the fall.
Yeah, when
just
it's
saying.
cooler.
Yeah.
Much cooler.
Yeah, this is something else. In one of the other videos where I was talking to Mr. Pete, Adam's coming to Soule. Yeah, you might want to set that down. Adam Booth is going to be at Soule with me, along with possibly these two guys. I'm hoping we get quite a crew out there for our meet and greet at the Soule Steam Festival, It's the first Saturday of
Second.
November. Second?
2nd of November.
All right.
In Meridian, Mississippi.
Yes. At the Soule Steam Feed Works.